Report is sponsored by Anderson Plumbing, Heating and Air. Nobody wows clients like we do.
All right, just take a look outside. You'll probably see some clouds wherever you are. Let's check in with our meteorologist, Angelica Campos, to find out what the weekend's going to look like for all of us.
Hi, Steve. What I've heard the most is, what's up with this weather? Yeah, it's a little cloudy, but it gets a little bit better this weekend. There is another storm on the way. It's going to be a cold-driven system, and it's going to bring the chance for rain. I'll show you when. As we look outside, cloudy skies in San Diego, 62 degrees, winds out of the west at 9 miles per hour, and humidity averaging around 65%. The temperatures are in the 60s in Poway, Escondido, and Ramona. And then over towards Alpine, 58 degrees. We are doing better than yesterday, temperature-wise, up to 8 degrees better than yesterday in Ramona, Julian, and near the coast, about the same. There's still a little bit of green, a little bit of moisture left over in the area, the Escondido area, also in Alpine, but it's mostly just clouds and those heavy low clouds that continue hanging right over the county. As we go into the overnight hours, we'll see the possibility for another round of maybe a light touch of drizzle, but that chance is going to be way smaller than anything we've seen over the last couple of days. So it's only going to be for a few isolated areas. And then Saturday, look at that, high clouds in place. We should be able to clear on Sunday. This typically happens ahead of a storm. You get a nice swath of warm air moving in, so it'll look better during the day. Then by nighttime, it is going to become cloudy with showers developing and continuing into Monday. So our headlines. A nice Saturday, looking a little bit more sunshine early on Sunday, adding clouds in the afternoon and a chance for rain. Next week, Santa Ana winds at above average temperatures with a wind advisory starting tomorrow night at 8 p.m. until 11 p.m. on Sunday. So this is what the chances look like for that rainfall on Monday. A few leftover showers Tuesday morning before it dries out, and it's going to be way drier later next week with the possibility of Santa Ana winds, dry conditions, warm temperatures, and abundant sunshine. So we're going to see a lot of variety next week. We're going to start cool in the low 60s at the coast by the end of the week, looking at temperatures near 80 degrees. That's for the coast. Inland communities will start in the low 70s this weekend, and then next week looking at 90s potentially by Friday. In the mountains, mid-50s, gusty winds with a wind advisory starting tomorrow night at 8 p.m. That wind advisory also includes our deserts, and then tracking the chance for rain on Monday before we're back to very dry conditions and above average temperatures.